everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're trying to use Google Voice but got the error Google Voice is not available in your country, don't worry, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll show you how to bypass this restriction and start using Google Voice no matter where you are. So let's get started. Google Voice is the voice feature that you can actually find for your Google application. So this allows you to search on Google using your voice only. You can also search for songs on Google by selecting their search a song feature. So if this feature is not available for your country, the first thing that you need is a VPN. Where do you get a VPN? So you can get a VPN for your laptop or PC with the Chrome Web Store. Now, if you're using a mobile phone or a tablet, you can go ahead and get that from the App Store or Google Play Store. So search for a VPN. Voice is only available in certain countries, so a VPN will help you change your location. So download a trusted VPN like Proton VPN, NordVPN, or ExpressVPN and connect to a US server. Once connected, you're ready for the next steps. If your current Google account isn't working, try creating a new Google account while connected to the VPN and go to the accounts.google.com and create a new account, set the location to United States and use a US zip code. Once done, sign in with this account and move to the next step. After that, you can go ahead and use Google Voice your country. That's it. This helped. Make sure to watch out to our next set of videos so you don't miss any future tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.